If you are suffering from androgenetic alopecia, male and female pattern baldness, then this video for you. If you are also suffering from thinning hair, dryness, breakage, and you don't understand why your hair is going through that issue, I'm going to break everything down step by step so you can understand how to fix it. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchak. In 2016, I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. I was able to overcome that situation, and since then, I have dedicated myself in helping others to reverse their alopecia. I use clean, natural, and organic ingredients. I use Ayurvedic herbs. I also use things from around my kitchen that is safe and healthy for your hair. If you can eat it, then you should know that it is also safe for you to use on your hair. I also created my own hair care line, which you can find from my website. My products are clean and is safe for the whole family. In today's video, I will be using green tea and I will also be using saw palmetto. Now, these two ingredients are things that you can also take internally. But before you start any new supplement, I would recommend that you speak to your health care provider first. But green tea is very common. You can take it internally and you can also apply it on your hair. This recipe is very, very simple. All you need is hot water and you can put your green tea in, and you can also go in with your saw palmetto extract. If you don't have saw palmetto extract, you can also use saw palmetto powder. Saw palmetto powder, it can also be taken internally, but you can also use it as a tea like I'm using in this video. Make sure that if you are using these ingredients, make sure you research about them and try to see if you don't have an allergic reaction to it. Growing your alopecia back or whatever form of alopecia you have, it also first starts with your inside. We can put all the hair DIYs on our hair outside, that will help. But if your inside is not healthy, that is just going to make your product not to work effectively. I would recommend that you discuss with your healthcare provider and see if these ingredients are safe for you. I also take a hair, skin, and nails vitamin daily. It is also on my website in case you want to check it in. There are many nutrients and vitamins that our body needs for it to be able to sustain. But if we are not taking in those nutrients and vitamins, then our body wouldn't be able to perform properly. And that can also lead to hair loss. And I know I'm always on the run, so to avoid that, I make sure that I take my daily vitamins so that whatever nutrients that I am lacking, the vitamins can help to replace it. I'm also going in with my S Secrets hair growth oil. This is an Ayurvedic hair growth oil that has 21 natural Ayurvedic herbs, essential oils, moisturizing oils to help stimulate blood flow on our scalp, which can also help with hair growth. Now that our tea is ready, you can go and start using it. As I mentioned earlier, this tea is very, very easy to make. How to use, there are many ways that you can use this. You can use it as a pre-poo treatment. A pre-poo treatment is applying it to your hair before going in with your shampoo and your conditioner. Leave it on for like 30 minutes to an hour, then you rinse it out. The next way to use this product is also as a hair rinse. That is after you have pre-poo your hair, you have shampoo your hair, you have gone in to start applying your deep condition. You apply it to your hair first, let it sit in, and then you go in with your deep condition, or you apply it to your hair, let it sit in, rinse it out, and then go in with your deep condition. But I just feel it's easier that you apply it and then leave it on and just apply your deep condition over it. That is another way you can use it. Now, by far, my best way to use it is as a leave-in treatment, and this is how I'm using it in this video. I washed my hair 7 days ago, but I was a bit lazy to wash my hair today, so I'm using it as a leave-in conditioner for me to refresh my hair and also refresh my scalp. If you are struggling with hair loss or hair thinning, then you want to give this easy recipe a try. First, let's talk about DHT. Dihydrotestosterone or DHT, it is a hormone derived from testosterone. While it plays a role in various bodily functions, excessive levels of DHT can contribute to hair loss, particularly in both men and women. This is often referred to as androgenetic alopecia or pattern baldness. DHT binds to hair follicles, shrinking them and also shortening the hair growth cycle. Over time, this leads to thinning hair and eventually hair loss. So, how can we combat this? Green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins. Green tea has been shown to inhibit the production of DHT. One study found that the EGCG in green tea can block the enzymes that convert testosterone into DHT. This means that incorporating green tea into your routine can help protect your hair follicles and also promote healthy hair. You can enjoy green tea as a delicious drink or even use it as a hair rinse, as I mentioned earlier on. You can also use it as a leave-in treatment for added benefits. It is very easy to make. You guys saw it when it took me a few seconds to make this tea. But make sure when you're applying it to your hair, let it cool down. Now let's talk about saw palmetto. If you don't know, if you look at my hair growth oils, you will see that I have saw palmetto in them because I studied saw palmetto years ago and I knew that it also helps to block DHT. This is a herbal extract and it had gained popularity for its ability to inhibit DHT production as well. Research suggests that saw palmetto works by blocking the enzyme 5-alpha reductant, which is responsible for converting testosterone into DHT. By doing this, saw palmetto can help reduce hair loss and can also encourage new hair growth. Not just a added bonus tip, another herbal extra that you can use is also peach and powder. Peach and powder is also a DHT, sorry. Peach and powder is also a DHT blocker. So if you don't have access to saw palmetto and if you have access to peach and powder, I would recommend that you use it because it does the same. But again, I mix both of them in my hair growth oil. So you will see peach and powder in my hair growth oil and you also see saw palmetto in my hair growth oils. You can take saw palmetto in supplement form or even use products that contains it. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. So if you are looking to support your hair growth journey, consider adding green tea and saw palmetto into your routine. Together, they can help block DHT and also promote healthy and fuller hair. If you found this information helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on hair care and wellness. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.